Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my basic bodies, starting with the front pattern. So I'm inserting the shoulder measurement at 8 inches. Then from the shoulder down I'm taking out 8.5 inch for the bust line, 17 inches for the waistline, and 21 inch for the blouse hip measurement. Then you move your tape forward to find the full length of your bodice, which I'm leaving at 23 inches. You can choose to increase or decrease based on your style. Then you use your ruler to complete your measurement lines. The next thing to do is to mark down your shoulder measurement down to your bust line. Then use your ruler to connect these dots. And you're ready to start your measurements. Starting with the bust measurement, your waist measurement, then your blouse hip measurement. Then below the pattern, at the bottom part of the pattern, you mark out 4.5 inch. This is just to help me make a curve at the bottom of my bodice. Then I'm marking out the dot line, which is at 4 inches, and on the waist 4 inches. Then I put my tape above shoulder line. Then I measure out 12 inches. This is 2 inches below the nipple point, and that's where your dot line will be started. Then you put your dot measurement. Then you complete the line for your dot. Then on the waist, you put your tape across 1/2 inch the dot line, and that is your dot. Then you connect your dots. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channels for more interesting videos, and also comment and suggest the next video you would like me to make. Then the next thing to do is to lift off whatever you removed as a dot measurement to the outer seam of your bodice, which in this case is 1 inch. So I'm adding it to the outer seam of the measurement, so that after you finish the sewing, your measurement will correspond. Now it's time to mark out your outer seam lines. The next thing to do is to place your tape measurement 3 inches above your bust line. Then you curve your armhole. Add 1/2 seam allowance to the shoulder line. Then you complete your tracing. Then it's time to add your seam allowances, which I'm using 1.5 inches. You add it to all the measurement lines we made. Then you connect. The next thing to do is to also add a seam allowance at the bottom part of your bodice, which I'm leaving at 1/2 inch for this video. You can choose to increase or decrease it based on styling. This is just a simple way of making a basic bodice, and it's beginners friendly. You can use it for practically any form of wears. Then we are inserting the neckline measurement, which is 4 inches in this tutorial, 4 inches by 4 inches length and width, but you can increase and decrease it based on your styling. It's not a standard. So I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel to watch how I make my back bodies. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye.